Hello and welcome to LifePlan Legal Arizona's Estate Planning, Elder Law, and Probate Q&A. Today's question is, can I make my own will in Arizona? Another way of asking this question is, do I need an attorney to create a valid Arizona will? The answer to the first question is yes. You can create a will on your own in Arizona. And the answer to the second question is no. An Arizona attorney is not a requirement. However, before you run over to a free or low-value will-creating website or check out a book at the library, let me offer 3 cautions in doing this completely on your own. Can I and should I have 2 different answers? You can create your own will, but you shouldn't for 3 reasons: the convenience, the time, and the risk. Let me explain through some examples. In Arizona, you are legally permitted to change your own oil, manage your own retirement portfolio, and pack your own parachute. But I do not recommend doing any of these yourself either. These examples are great for demonstrating why a professional is totally worth the cost. First, changing your own oil. The process of changing your oil is relatively straightforward. A twist here, a drain there, and presto, new oil. So why don't we do it ourselves? Convenience and peace of mind. It is much easier to drive into an oil change business, let them get grease on their pants, dispose of your excess oil, and make sure your levels are topped off. You drive away confident it was done right. The same with hiring a professional to work on your will. We have the equipment and the experience to do the job right and remove the stress. The second example is managing your own retirement portfolio. The reason most of us trust the professional is we just don't have the time to analyze everything, every nuance involved. Stay up to date with changing circumstances and make necessary timely adjustments. This is the same with your will. Are you aware of the Secure Act that passed in January 2020? How about the current estate tax exemption? And how the upcoming election will impact your taxable estate? Most of us are too busy with our careers, our families, and our other responsibilities to spend the required time getting up to speed on properly designing a will. One of the biggest myths I hear about estate planning is that it costs too much. Well, I'm here to tell you that that is a myth. Estate planning isn't expensive, or shouldn't be, if you hire the right firm. Estate planning is an investment, and with every investment, we want you to receive a return that exceeds your investment. The third example is packing your own parachute. Any skydivers out there? As an amateur skydiver, I would never pack my own parachute. The risk is just too high. If you jump out of a plane with an improperly packed chute, by the time you recognize the mistake, it's too late. The biggest risk I have found with people who have created their own will online, if I's are not dotted and T's are not crossed properly, no one discovers the oversight until it is too late. By the time you pass away, it is very hard to fix a will in probate that has problems. So, for the above reasons, convenience, time, and risk, I recommend sitting down with an experienced estate planning attorney before creating your DIY will. For more information on creating a valid will in Arizona, visit www.lifeplanlegalaz.com. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this week's Q&A. Before you go, let me invite you to support our mission of helping 10,000 Arizona families prevent conflict through proper estate planning. If you or somebody you love would like to join our growing family of 5-star happy clients, schedule your free strategy session by calling 602-910-4068 or visit lifeplanlegalaz.com. Don't forget to subscribe.